It's been a long week. Between coronavirus and what's happening in America, it's easy to forget there's a Royal Commission going on into another crisis. Hearings for the Bushfire Royal Commission began Monday last week, but in case you're behind, here's a rundown. The Royal Commission is looking at how we prepare, react to, and recover from natural disasters, covering everything from Australia's legal framework to the impact of climate change. Already there's been a few highlights. At the first hearing, the Bureau of Meteorology told the Commission that climate change was largely behind a 4-month extension of the bushfire season since the 1950s. That means our fire seasons are increasingly overlapping with other countries, which puts a strain on international resources. We also heard the fires panned out pretty much as the Bureau predicted, while the Federal Scientific Research Agency said that the past is no longer a guide to future climate-related impacts. The next day we heard that smoke from the fires caused over 400 premature deaths. It also caused over $2 billion in health costs, on top of another $2 billion in insurance claims and $260 million paid to people directly affected by the bushfires. Then yesterday, the Commission turned its attention to communication. It heard that fire emergency agencies in different states were using different radio networks, which made it harder for interstate ground crews to communicate when fires cross state borders. The Commission will hand down its findings by the end of August, hopefully to give enough time to make changes before the next fire season. Until then, you can catch the first rounds of hearings live on the Commission's website.